This is Monday, December 30th, 2024. Current time is 6:02 in the p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I guess I could go over what happened today. Do a little recap. Basically, what I thought would be near the bottom, or at least a decent bounce point where algorithms technically should stop shorting, is at 26.1660 today. Yes, it did that. One time, two times. Then it dipped below it a little bit more still. So, again, algorithms that they can't keep it. They typically can't keep attacking. Again, unless some catalyst came out to the downside from there on majority of days. So as soon as it actually took a turn around, that's when the market, or at least gold, went back up some. For tomorrow, on the 1 day, 1 minute chart, you're basically positive 1 and negative 1 deviations from the anchor VWAP is what can make some resistance. Roughly 2640 to 260830. That's what I'm showing as being potential resistance and supportive areas. Since that's basically what happened today, is 260840, 260830. That's right there at it. So, and other people will see that as being previous support, which it wasn't massive support, but it's still support nonetheless. And they'll either cancel their short positions or stop their short positions around that area, then go long, based off that as well. So, and this is math I came up with. It just happens to correlate also with the anchored VWAP also right now from negative 1 deviation very well. I hate to guess what happens to gold in the next couple of days. To me, though, this is a similar pattern I've seen in the past, where the top and bottom average daily ranges are becoming more narrowed down, and neck down, until you're not going to have a whole lot of movement, and then just all of a sudden, boom, you get some catalyst or somebody starts squeezing or shorting heavy or whatever. And then you get a massive move in a couple of days from now. That's what I've seen in the past. I'm not saying that's going to happen this go round. But I have seen in the past where it starts necking down like that. And then you get a more broader, powerful move either way, either to the upside or to the downside. But anyway, that's pretty much all I got. 2702, that shows up so many different times on so many different things I've looked at. So if it happens to go up to 2700 tomorrow, then I do believe that'll be a lot of profit taking level. This morning or last night, what I thought could be resistance was 2656.60. That still can play out. That has moved into the 161.8% level from today's calculations. So that's right there at it. So if these are all ifs, if it happens to break above the top of the average daily range and break above positive 3 deviation from the anchor VWAP and hit the 161.8% level, there are so many algorithms that do not and will not keep pushing this higher. So that level, I think I'm going to leave there. Maybe bring it down just a little bit. So anyway, that's a decent short up there again. Like, it's all subjective. It's whenever it actually gets to it. You check your other metrics and make sure that it is a short at that time. You get confirmation, you can start shorting. You have to exit your short position whenever it's showing as a bullish sign. Depending on where you're at and all that other stuff, it's a whole lot to it. Anyway, that's all I got. I think that 2600 level also could be potential for some support as well. But it kind of is what it is right now. Let's see what we got. Let's see here, past 10 minutes. Been 93% sell volume with only 158 contracts traded. So, mostly sell volume in the last 10 minutes. So, I mean, it's, yeah, I'll set an alert for right here. Alright, I know that's not needed for this. Hope you're happy, healthy, well, goodbye.